Hello? Really? Can you stay in your own lane, please? Why are you coming over here when this one's about that? And you got snow blowing off your roof. Really?
Prepare to fast forward. Fast forward. Fast forward, sir.
That's a bit counterintuitive for people because they look at, let's say, a group of troops and they see nothing.
What are you doing?
They see only a fraction of what I see.
Prepare to fast forward. Fast forward. Fast forward, sir.
What are you doing over there?
It's really the roadblock. The Yankees will make the playoffs, so will the Mets. But last year, I really...
You can go now. You can go now. You can go now. You can go now. You can go now.
The plan they had didn't work. I mean,
And then you go when it says no turn on red. Really?
In Austin, they would usually mainly use for logging and construction of mills and hauling heavy carts full of household goods and stuff like that. Horses never really caught on in the Northeast, and that's still true today. You never really see horses.
Prepare to fast forward. Fast forward. Fast forward. Fast forwarding, sir.
Situation at trailheads. Obviously, there's so many people coming up here. And again, there's no right or wrong answer. We're just having a discussion.
Oh, you don't know where the fuck you're going. Moron.
And then from there, I signed the same set of forms, regardless of in-person or telehealth.
It's left turn only there.
This is a horror movie person. This is the person who, like, in that It movie, folds in half as they get pulled into a
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Literature online, sources online to continue to prepare themselves. And
go. What are you doing?
I would say that
and you ran a red light.
Videos, there's lots of information.
No turn on red, 3 to 6 p.m. And you didn't even stop first. It is 5:39. Sitting at the green light. There you go, finally got the idea. Holding up everyone. It's like 2 or 3 more cars could have turned, but they couldn't now. Oh, well.
Here, these C's are very close to what happened because 3 of the 4 number 1 C's.
Really?
15 and 16 feet.
There are cars coming.
They want to see where I'm at. They want to interact with me. They want to be by me.
Hello?
They just dogs the same way.
You like yo, slow down, turn left.
Like you and like get respect, like whatever, get attention.
There was a couple, really close friends. George and Kate, they were there with me, and Sandy was up there with little Emmy, and my Aunt Cheryl and Uncle Mike. They took time out of their day.
It's red. Hello. It turned red. Well, yeah.
It was a very emotional day. The same one. Let's just say we'll throw Cascade out there. I can hike Cascade 365 days in a row, and every
red light run, red light run. Butler Disposal ran the red light run. I don't think your boss would like that.
Right? And we would know that because we had never taken salsa dancing before, and we would laugh and stumble around and fall.
What are you doing? Like, there's cars coming.
Oh, get out of my class, and then we'd pay him, and he'd be like,
over the line!
Oh, you had more space to work with.
And I can't sleep at night because I think you're going to do
No, stop.
I'd love to go there. In South Korea,
California, for example, it is actually the women that are expected to buy the guys'
No, stop.
flowers.
No, stop.
Was the first Friday of this month. Happy birthday,
Happy
Fonda.
birthday.
Red light
So I
run,
review-
red light run, red light run.
It's way up to them, and they're gonna be like, "Yeah, praying's cool. It's great." Yeah, and all of a sudden, like their wildest dreams of thrusting this country back into the 1950s.
Yeah, back up of shame over there. Over the line.
We'll be one step closer. Yeah.
No stop. No stop.
Behavior is easily found among the primates and in other animals. Sometimes very costly altruism.
No
such as
stop.
when one chimpanzee defends.
Yes, go. Do something. Anything. Come on. Hurry up. He had his left blinker on for a second there. I don't know what the fuck are people doing.
I haven't seen a lot of this part, but I don't think that...
No, stop.
You know, even then I was aware of just how much of it I hadn't seen. And even today, I don't think I've seen a lot of it venue, but we were the biggest event they had since COVID.
No, stop.
Had hit, like 300 people came out to watch the movie, and for a lot of the people, it was their first time seeing the theater since everything broke. And
no, stop again.
A lot of those people were really moved by the movie, just being able to experience stuff like that. And now that I'm starting to talk about this, I'm totally blanking on how
Really?
this exactly fall. But
Pedestrian, pedumstrian. Yeah, take your time crossing, because it's like you're not like in the way or anything.
I don't know what that gas would be, but I know that anytime that I've encountered a sighting or
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
You hear that one? You hear that one? You hear that one?
I shouldn't laugh at that.
You hear that one?
No, stop.
All right.
Okay. Well, the thing is, when it comes to tongues, I'm less concerned about the speaking in as I am about the insertion of.
When you speak in tongues, you are talking to him by divine supernatural means. It's like having a fast pass to God. That's my understanding of it.
So when someone is skibbity bop bop, like scatting, or does that count?
God, I think it kind of does.
Right?
It kind of does.
Right, all the chills.
Right, apparently it's like whenever you're like kind
Hey,
of
what the fuck are you
I
doing?
didn't look at videos because I was like kind of scared. Because I'm kind of scared of like...
Are you sure this is where you want to go? You want to turn right here. Okay.
Just hanging out. We're waiting for Jonathan to get to the booth.
There was a car coming. Hello.
And getting the leadership is getting
No,
right
stop.
In the core and
No trucks, buses, trailers, up lane, November through April. We are in March. Come on, pass me already. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are south of Syracuse on I-81. They don't allow trucks in the left lane here. No, you cannot be there. He just moved over, so he's okay now, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll get you in the next video. Okay, bye!